So now it's been exactly 2 minutes and 5 seconds, and I ran 0.34 kilometers. Right. So it's about to be 3 minutes. Right here, I ran halfway through. I burned 34 calories. So technically it takes us like 6 minutes to complete the whole thing. So it's been 5 minutes, 0.81, 57 calories burned, 58, still max speed. Whew. Again, here's close. 0.90% there. Right. Come on, only 6 more to go. Still on full speed. Okay, almost 6 minutes. I think this. Yes, I think this is it. I'm just gonna check for the loop thing. And that's it.